If you're someone who has a boatload of money and want a cutting edge technology who has to be on the verge of innovation, well, Oppo has an answer. Oppo has finally launched the Oppo N2 Flip in the international market and is expected to launch in India in a couple of weeks. And the N2 Flip, my friends, is a direct competitor to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Flip, and it is going to come for at least 10 to 20% of a discounted price than the Z Fold Flip. The best smartphone, I would say, for under 1 lakh rupees in the Flip edition, as it has one of the best designs for a Flip smartphone, and it is one of the only smartphones in the Flip edition which does not have that big of a crease. It has even a better engineering than the Samsung team. I don't know how they achieved that, but one of the best designs. Apart from that, it also has a 3.2-inch display on the back, which is great. It is a palm size display, which is great. It has multiple functions, and other than that, I mean, the best fact is that it comes with a 6.8-inch main display with 120 Hz AMOLED. I mean, wow. It has great innovation with that crease and with that technology built in it. Apart from that, it also has a 50 megapixel camera on the back, and Oppo has been known to give and deliver great images with that sensor. It also has a 32 megapixel front facing camera. I mean, all these specs are aside, but that display technology, that design, that 6.8-inch design, which feels like a normal smartphone but is a Flip one, I mean, that is an achievement in itself, and it is expected to come at around a 70,000 price, which is still great for that Flip factor, and it will come with all the bleeding edge technology like the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, this fast charging, like 44 watt fast charger, this and that. Everything is great, but again, that design, and we finally have a smartphone which is in direct competition with the Samsung's 4th generation of the Flip smartphones. I mean, what did you think about this innovation and this great design? Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Apart from that, do like and comment, share this video so that everyone can look at Oppo's innovation.